Alright, so today it's not my vehicle I'm working on, but a friend of a friend's. I think it's a 2017 Silverado Texas Edition. We are currently keeping the stock radio this time around. He will be coming back. He's saving up for either a 9 or 10-inch Pioneer or a Kenwood. But for today, we've got a 210 ported Fox box. So this should, it's over there. It has seat lift. Getting 2 Alpine Type R 10s. We got some T-Spec 4 gauge, some Stinger 4 gauge, line out converter, Pioneer 2.5s. All the brackets. Luckily he has this thing. It's gonna make so much easier putting in the 4-channel. Where is the 4-channel? There's the 4-channel. It's right there. Extra RCAs. No idea why he has those. And the door speakers are these Pioneer D's. Have not messed with these before, but for subs, he's got a Rockford Prime 1201. And it looks like it's the version 2. So, this should be good. I'll post little shorts throughout the day as I do this. But later.